Excited about learning Blender? Stick around after this video and I'll show you how you can get a discount on a 3D modeling and animation course at Brainy Pixel Academy. Hi, I'm Michael and thanks for watching this Blender tutorial. In this lesson we're going to add a teapot to the scene, and since a teapot is not one of the standard default objects, we will need to enable the add-on for extra objects. So let's do that. First go to the Edit menu and choose Preferences. And here in the Preferences dialog, scroll down to Add-ons, click on that Add-ons button. This will show us all the add-ons. We want to filter that and type the word extra, E-X-T-R-A. This will give us just these two add-ons for Add Curves and Add Meshes, and we're going to enable the Add Mesh Extra Objects, and we're going to check and make sure that Autosave Preferences is enabled. So now that that's taken care of, go ahead and close this dialog right here, and I'm going to select and delete the cube. And now go to the Add menu, to the Mesh menu, and we have a new section of items down here, and we're going to choose Extras, come all the way down to Teapot, and release on Teapot. And now I'll go to View and Frame Selected, and we have added a teapot to our scene. Hey, thanks for sticking around. We've created some great courses for you at the Brainy Pixel Academy website. And if you really want to learn 3D modeling and animation in Blender 2.8, we've built a course that's project-based that takes you step by step through the interface. This is a course I've taught at colleges, I've taught young people, I've taught adults, and through that I've learned a way to teach people Blender in a way you can remember it, even when you come back to it weeks later. We use a lot of the interface menus initially, and if you go on over to the course, you'll see right here that we've got a cheeseburger challenge to get you started moving things in 3D space. We create a domino, we create a frying pan out of curves, and we do spinning and curves for the handle. Create some scrambled eggs. I'm not scrambled eggs, sunny side up eggs. We rig a robot arm, and that's cool. So that's a little introduction to rigging and animation there. Then we move on and we do a little bit of texture painting, and we then take a robot character and we animate that robot character jumping on a box and then jumping up on a barrel, and that's a lot of fun and very satisfying. And then we edit a little movie using the Blender sequence editor. So if you think this course is for you, go on over there to brainypixel.com/courses, and you'll find a link to the site, or check the description below the video, and you can get a discount on this course using the special discount keyword teapot, T-E-A-P-O-T. So we'll put that on the screen, teapot, and that'll give you 50% off of this course. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing some amazing things you create with Blender.